King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make a winter wonderland lip gloss, then you just keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and get right into today's video. As you can see, I have 2 bowls of gloss base, ready gloss to be exact, in 2 separate bowls. It is about 5 ounces of this gloss base in each of these bowls. And we're going to go ahead and add our blue raspberry flavoring oil to one of the bowls for the blue portion of the lip gloss. Next, for the white pearl portion of the lip gloss, we're going to add some white chocolate macadamia flavoring oil from Get Suckered. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this glacier blue color pigment and add it to the blue raspberry bowl. And remember, everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description for you, with links for you to click and purchase it if you would like to recreate any of the glosses I make. Next, we're going to take this pigment in the color pearl and add it to our other bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and mix those mica powders into the gloss base, and you will start to see that the glosses give like a shimmer color, which mica pigments often do. So if you are looking for like a shimmer type of gloss, then mica pigments are perfect for that. So now we're going to take our chunky glitter in these mini spoons that I got from TKB Trading that will also be linked in the description. And we are going to scoop a little bit of the glitter and pour into our tubes, and then shake the tubes with our finger covering the top of the hole so that the glitter doesn't splatter everywhere, but just so that the glitter can get all throughout the tube. And that is how you get that nice glitter effect on your lip glosses. We're going to repeat those same steps with our wand tubes. So now that our tubes are all glittered up, we are going to take our syringe and start to fill the tubes. So we have both of our syringes now filled with the color glosses that we need. So we are going to start with the blue and fill that up halfway, and then fill the rest up with the nice pearl color white. Look how pretty this gloss is with the glitter and the nice winter wonderland colors, with the nice white that reminds you of the snow, and then that nice blue that reminds you of Christmas. This gloss is so pretty, and it also smells really, really good as well with those Get Sucker flavoring oils. I am finally done filling all of these beautiful tubes. This is the outcome. Let me know what you guys think of this wonderful gloss in the comments below. Also, here is a lip swatch of the lip gloss. It's like a frosty shimmer gloss. It's super pretty and cute. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the tops and seal all of the lip glosses. And that is a wrap for today's Christmas themed lip gloss video. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. This lip gloss will be a part of our Christmas collection, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you shop with me at www.xoxo.com, and I look forward to seeing you all at my next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.